pre-record a little bit here. Oh, I love this. Hess? No, H-E-S-S. Hess Village. Archway. That's good. Now we can see something different. Give me. Oh, I like the arch. Toronto needs stuff like this. And look at the mural. What's this takeout place? Lemani takeout. I'm gonna take a picture as well. Another mural. Oh, I like this area so far. Wow. It looks like a pedestrian closed off street here. Oh wow, I really like this area. Got a good vibe already. Kind of Montreal feel to this. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Oh wow, so cute. Totally Montreal vibe. Saint Denis vibe. Look at the building here. Oh, they had a butterfly sculptures in here. I have it, I think, still in my archives of photos and videos. They're not here anymore, so this is what I want to take a picture here. Get a thumbnail and go live. Alright, well, I don't know how I'm going to put all these clips together, but check out the main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, for the live replay unedited streams I had in Hamilton